Hi guys, welcome back to SoftAsia Tech. Today I came with another video about our contact form series in which I have shared some tips about how to create a contact form using different platforms and plugins. Today I am going to use JotForm platform in which I will create a contact form and later I will embed it on WordPress page. So keep follow this video to the end because at the end I will show you how you can embed this contact form into your WordPress page. So let's get into it. So here first of all open a new tab in Chrome and search JotForms.com. Here first of all you have to create a new account. I will sign up with Google. Now my account created successfully. Now here you can see I have this default form that was created by JotForm. Now I will create a contact form, so I will click here contact form. Now here you can see you have different options: start from scratch, use template, and import form. I will use a template. Now here you can see you have different categories of forms. Here you can see the order forms, registration forms, and some other forms. Here you can see a contact form. I will click on it. Now here you can see different form templates. You can use it or create from scratch. I will go back and now I will create from scratch. Now you have two different options: classic form and card form. Classic form you can show everything in list, and here you can design it as you can see on a card. I will select classic form. Now here you can see a default form. Now I will click on this plus button to add fields. First of all I will add a full name field. Now I will add an address field. Now under this I will add a phone field, and under it I will add email field. Now I will add a long text here and it will appear there. Now I have added these fields. Now how to edit it? For this I will click on this field and here I will click on this gear button. Now first of all you can change the label. Here you can see I have their name. You can make it full name. Now you can change the alignment to the left, right, and top. I will leave it to the top and required. I will make it required because I want to know the full name of the visitor. Now here you can see sub labels. You can change the sub labels, and you can also duplicate this field if you want it to use it twice or some other purposes. Now I will click on this cross and I will edit this address. I will click on this properties button. Now here you can also change some default general settings, alignment, and required. Now go to options. In the option field you can show or hide the fields. I will hide the street too. Also I will hide the postcode and add country. Now in advanced you can change the placeholders, hover text, and shrink and hide field. Now I will hide it. Now why I hide it? I will show it in next step. Here you can see the field details, but I will leave them. Just I will cross it. Here is the number setting and the email. I will click on this properties and go to option. You can limit the entries, disallow free address or confirmation text box. I will leave them. Just I will cross it and go to final. Here I will go to settings and change the question type to from type of question to subject. Now I will go to options. You can change its height. You can add entry limit. Here you can change the text editor mode and the validation. Now I will cross it. You can preview it by clicking on here. Now here you can see your form looks like that. Now I will click on this form designer button. So you can see you have different color background like that. Also you can style it. By default you can change its width. I will make it 755. Label alignment to the top. Also here you can see you have some CSS already added. You can add your own custom CSS. Here is the themes. You can change the theme. I will select this sunset here, so it will look like that. Some fade will appear as transparent. You can use this also, and it will look like that, but I will use as default theme. Now I will go to settings. Here in settings you can change the title to contact form and status to enabled. Now I will go to conditions. Here I will show and hide fields. Now here I will select full name is filled, then show this address field. Now I will save it. Now I will preview. Now what this condition will do, when I will add my name here, now you can see the address field will appear like that. Now you can change the tablet and phone settings. Also I will off the preview. Now go to thank you page. Here the thank you page is loading, and you can see the thank you page will appear like that. You can redirect it to some external links. Also you can add some integrations, but I will directly go to publish. Here you can copy this code to use on your WordPress or any other platform. Now after publishing the form, I will click here on JotForm to go to home page. Now I will hover over integrations and click on see more. Now I will search WordPress. Here you can see WordPress embed form. I will click it. Now I will click on open integration. Now you can download this plugin from WordPress.org plugin repository, or go back to your dashboard and install this plugin. So I will go back to my dashboard. Now I will go to plugins and add a new plugin. Here I will search JotForm. Now I will install this JotForm online forms plugin. Click on install now. After installing, I will activate it. Now the plugin was activated successfully. Now I will go to pages. Now I will edit my contact us page. For this I will click on this plus button and add classic editor. Now I will click on the stop bar. Here you can see the JotForm. I will click on it. Sometimes this plugin faces some issues and does not shows our contact forms that I have created on JotForm platform. So what I will do to show my contact form in WordPress, I will go to my JotForm account, select my contact form, and I will go to its settings. Now here I will go to publish and I will copy this link. Now I will go back to my page. I will remove this block and paste the code here. Now you can see our form appear like that. Now I will update the page and view the page by clicking on this button. Now here you can see your form appears like that. Now I will add my name. As soon as I add my name, you can see the address tab was appear. Now I will add some dummy address and text. Here I will select country. I will add phone number, and here I will add a custom email. Now here you can add text. Now I will click on submit. As soon as you click on submit, you can see the thank you page appears like that. That's how you can create contact form in JotForms and embed it on your WordPress page. Keep following our upcoming videos in this contact form series, in which I will show you how to create forms on different plugins and platforms and then embed it on WordPress pages. Thanks for watching. Hope this video helpful for you. If so, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and also press bell icon to get notifications about future updates about contact forms.